Ever wondered how car insurance claims work? A detailed breakdown? Welcome to our informative video guide that will unravel the complexities of car insurance claims. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step breakdown of how car insurance claims work, ensuring you have a solid understanding of the entire process. So, let's dive right in. The first step in making a car insurance claim is reporting the incident to your insurance provider. Most insurance companies offer dedicated hotlines that are available 24/7. Make sure to have all the necessary information, such as policy details, driver's license number, and a detailed account of the incident. The insurance representative will guide you through the initial steps and explain what needs to be done next. Depending on the severity of the accident, it is important to contact the authorities, such as the police, to document the incident. This step is crucial in providing an official record of the accident, which will be invaluable during the claim process. Once the initial report is filed, an insurance adjuster will begin the process of assessing the damage to your vehicle. They may visit the accident site or request images and documents to determine the extent of the damage. This step helps the insurance company determine the cost of repairs or replacement. At this stage, your insurance provider will review your policy coverage to determine the limits and types of coverage applicable to your claim. It is important to understand your policy before making a claim to ensure you know what expenses will be covered. After the incident and damage assessment, you will complete the required paperwork, including a claim form. Ensure all details are accurate and the form is submitted within the specified time frame. Any missing or incorrect information may cause delays in processing your claim. Once your claim is filed, the insurance company will initiate an investigation to verify the incident's authenticity. This may include speaking with involved parties, analyzing any available evidence, or contacting witnesses. The purpose of the investigation is to ensure that the claim is legitimate and prevent fraudulent activities. If your vehicle requires repairs, obtain multiple repair estimates from authorized service centers. Share these estimates with your insurance provider for approval. The insurance company may have a preferred list of repair shops or may recommend their own assessors for evaluation. Once the claim is approved, the settlement procedure begins. Depending on the policy terms and your deductible, the insurance company will provide the agreed-upon compensation for the damages. You may receive the payment directly or it may be sent to the repair shop, depending on the agreed arrangements. Congratulations! You are now familiar with the step-by-step process of car insurance claims. Remember, it is crucial to understand your policy terms and promptly report any incidents to your insurance provider. By being well informed and prepared, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free claims experience.